Ready to discover the Grand Canyon's terrifying secrets? Scientists make a startling discovery that sends shivers down their spines. What secrets lay beneath ancient rocks? How does this shocking discovery change our geological history? We'll explore the canyon to find the awful reality. Can you handle the unknown? The scientific community has been shaken to its core by a recent finding made in the Grand Canyon, which calls into question their current understanding of the natural world. The discovery, which has the potential to change the history of this well-known landmark, has put geologists and other scholars in a state of utter astonishment. The finding focuses on an underground network of enormous caves that are connected to one another and are located deep within the rocky layers of the canyon. Through the use of cutting-edge geological mapping techniques and ground-penetrating radar, researchers were able to discover a previously unknown labyrinth that has been kept hidden for eons. The caves are not only quite large, but they also have structures that are completely unique and have never been seen before, which has left the specialists baffled as to how they were formed and what they mean. This discovery could potentially provide fresh insight into the geological processes that over the course of millions of years formed the Grand Canyon. As a result, the consequences of this study are far-reaching. In addition, the existence of such a complex cave system debunks the predominant hypotheses about the development of the canyon, which in turn raises doubts about the forces and mechanisms that were active during the process of the canyon's formation. As researchers explore deeper into this mysterious subterranean environment, they hope that it will provide useful insights into the geological history of the region and possibly reveal additional surprises that could change our understanding of the natural world. As a result of these discoveries, the researchers believe that their understanding of the natural world will be revolutionized. The mysteries that lie within the Grand Canyon have only just begun to be uncovered, and the current discovery serves as a timely reminder that even the most well-known landmarks can continue to conceal surprising secrets. The Grand Canyon is renowned as a magnificent and important monument that welcomes guests from all four corners of the globe. It is widely believed that the Grand Canyon's popularity is due to many compelling features that it possesses. First and foremost, its geological history extends back millions of years, and as a result, it has left behind an enchanting tapestry of rock layers, each of which is a witness to the long history of the Earth. The exposed strata disclose a jaw-dropping record of geological phenomena, including erosion, uplift, and sedimentation, all of which contribute to the obvious attractiveness of the canyon. The Grand Canyon is not just significant for its geological significance, but also for the role it plays as an important biological sanctuary. A wide variety of ecosystems are able to thrive inside its immense extent, and these ecosystems are home to a wide variety of plant and animal species that have been adapted to survive in this demanding environment. The protection of these ecosystems is still absolutely necessary for preserving ecological balance and ensuring the survival of imperiled animal populations. In addition, the geography of the canyon is unlike any other, which contributes to its attractiveness. The immense canyons, which were carved out by the Colorado River over the course of millennia, provide a scene that is simultaneously breathtaking and humbling. The play of light and shadow on the canyon walls generates ever-changing landscapes that have the ability to enrapture the hearts of those who are lucky enough to witness them. Alan Krill, a geologist, had a lifelong fascination with the mysteries that could be found hidden within the Earth's old rock formations. His unyielding enthusiasm for discovery and acute attention to detail had taken him on a number of journeys over the course of his life, but none of them were able to adequately prepare him for the seminal finding that he would make on this particular day. Alan came across a unique boulder as he was exploring a secluded and mysterious rock formation that was tucked deep into a valley that was completely by itself. Because he was interested, he inspected the stone in great detail, and to his astonishment, he discovered an odd shimmer within the stone's rough surface. After deeper examination, an ancient item was discovered tucked away within the center of the boulder, where it appeared to be waiting to divulge its mysteries to the outside world. Recognizing the importance of his discovery, Alan painstakingly recorded the precise location of the relic and proceeded to carefully remove it from its hiding place without causing it any harm. When he cleaned the artifact and removed the dirt and grime, the exquisite engravings on it revealed a story that had been forgotten over the course of time. It was about a civilization that had once flourished in that particular valley many years before. The finding made by Allen has the potential to completely transform our comprehension of the geological history of the area, as well as the ancient societies that had inhabited it in the past. Archaeologists, historians, and geologists all over the world have been sparked with interest and excitement as a result of the relic that turned out to be the key to unlocking the mysteries of the past. Alan Krill's passion to uncovering the hidden mysteries of our planet will ensure that his name will live on in the annals of scientific research as a pioneer who changed the course of history. The age of the awe-inspiring Grand Canyon, a geological marvel that has been a mystery for ages, has been the subject of an engrossing argument among geologists from all over the world. This dispute has been going on for quite some time. The belief that the Grand Canyon was formed between 5 and 6 million years ago is at the crux of the argument. This assumption has been around for a long time. On the other hand, in recent years, a growing number of geologists have presented strong arguments that call this notion into question. There is a school of thought among geologists that suggests the Grand Canyon is only 1 to 2 million years old, which is a huge reduction from the 4 to 5 million years that was traditionally believed to be its age. New geological evidence and improved dating methods, both of which have shown previously undiscovered complexity in the canyon's development process, lend credence to their position and provide support for it. On the other hand, ardent supporters of the traditional idea have presented compelling arguments, citing the current body of study and geological facts that point to an older date. They argue that the geological history of the canyon dates back millions of years and was molded throughout time by the erosional processes of the Colorado River. Alan Krill, a renowned paleontologist, discovered yet another groundbreaking discovery in the isolated Badlands region that sheds fresh light on the prehistoric period. Krill is a recognized authority in his area, and for the better part of his life, he is focused on uncovering the mysteries that lie buried deep within the Earth's geological history. His most recent find was a set of fossilized footprints that belonged to a species of tetrapod that went extinct roughly 280 million years ago, and that once roamed these territories. Krill was able to make this extraordinary discovery as a result of his insatiable curiosity and dogged tenacity. He painstakingly explored the area, delicately brushing away layers of dirt to reveal the fine imprints of organisms that lived during the late Paleozoic era. He was guided in this endeavor by his extensive knowledge as well as his intuition. These tetrapod footprints provided crucial insights into the behavior and mobility of these mysterious animals, contributing to the resolution of the mystery surrounding the origin of life. The finding was an addition to the lengthy list of contributions that Krill has made to the science of paleontology. Over the course of his career, he has continually pushed the boundaries of scientific knowledge, which has resulted in our picture of prehistoric life being fundamentally reshaped as a direct result of his efforts. He routinely participates in public outreach events in order to share his discoveries with the general public and rekindle a spark of curiosity in the brains of the next generation of scientists. This has not only motivated a large number of young people, but also inspired them to pursue a career in the scientific field. As word spread about the fossilized footprints, Krill's colleagues and other scientists heaped accolades on him for his unwavering commitment to solving the puzzles surrounding the past of our world. Each time he conducts an excavation, he reinforces the importance of paleontology in deciphering the mysteries of the past and putting together the great tapestry that represents the journey that life has taken through time. Alan Krill's place in history as a trailblazer in his industry is firmly cemented, and the impact that his work will have on the ever-evolving narrative of life on Earth is certain to be permanent. The announcement of the finding of a set of footprints in a distant region that is rich in fossils that have been extraordinarily well preserved has caused enthusiasm to spread throughout the scientific community. These footprints, which are thought to have belonged to ancient diadectomorphs, have revealed a treasure trove of new insights into the paleobiology of these mysterious species, challenging long-held notions about their behavioral adaptations and adaptations to their environment. For decades, paleontologists have been baffled by the question of where diadectomorphs fit in the natural hierarchy. Previous fossil evidence suggested that they led an aquatic lifestyle, leading one to speculate that they spent a significant amount of time submerged in water. The recently discovered footprints, on the other hand, call into question this theory. The impressions unequivocally display a terrestrial gait. complete with weight-bearing qualities and precise stride patterns. This finding suggests that diadectomorphs were exceptionally well adapted to a life on land. The findings have also provided some insight into the manner in which they moved about. The well-preserved trackways show signs of sprawling limbs, which is a revelation that defies earlier notions of more erect postures among these prehistoric animals. This points to the possibility that diadectomorphs were quadrupeds, making use of their robust limbs to efficiently navigate the surroundings they lived in millions of years ago. In addition to this, the footprints provide important insights on the social behavior of the creatures. The existence of many overlapping trackways provides evidence that diadectomorphs may have moved in groups or lived in some form of communal setting at some point in their history. This paves the way for additional investigation of their social structure, as well as the elements that govern the way in which they interacted with one another. The importance of this finding stretches far beyond the confines of paleontology as a scientific discipline. These footprints offer a new point of view on the ancient environments that diadectomorphs once inhabited by questioning earlier ideas about the adaptations diadectomorphs were thought to have. Our understanding of diadectomorphs and their place in the evolutionary history of life on Earth is about to undergo a profound transition as researchers continue to study and evaluate the abundance of data revealed inside these fossilized tracks. These fossilized tracks have been found all over the world. The Grand Canyon is a geological wonder that never ceases to amaze explorers and scientists alike. It is able to do this by luring people in with its beautiful vistas and the promise of unknown secrets concealed within its ancient layers. Even after years of investigation and research, the canyon continues to disclose unexpected findings, and the researchers' excitement is fueled by the possibility that they will find even more unexpected fossils in the years to come. Because of its size and intricacy, the Grand Canyon has presented a challenge to scientists for many years. Its exposed rock layers, some of which date back more than 2 billion years, present a one-of-a-kind opportunity to investigate the geological history of the planet. Paleontologists have previously unearthed a great variety of fossils, which range from ancient sea organisms to early terrestrial life forms. These fossils have been found in a variety of environments. Each new finding sheds important light on the development of life on Earth, as well as the shifting environmental circumstances that were responsible for the formation of the planet. The possibility of making groundbreaking discoveries increases in tandem with the progression of both scientific methodology and technological practices. The use of innovative imaging methods, unmanned aerial vehicles, and remote sensing technologies provides unique means to explore and evaluate the hidden nooks and crannies of the canyon. This increases the likelihood of discovering fossils that have not been found before. The Grand Canyon continues to serve as a magnet for intrepid travelers and explorers from all walks of life, even beyond the realm of the scientific community. The terrain is extremely harsh, which piques one's curiosity and makes one want to learn more about the mysteries that lay beneath the surface of the land. People continue to travel in large numbers to the canyon in the hope of having personal epiphanies there, as well as experiencing fleeting moments of connection with the distant history of our planet. As the Grand Canyon continues to be a destination of discovery and wonder, it serves as a reminder of the grandeur of the history of our planet and the significance of preserving such natural treasures for the generations who will come after us. With each new discovery, our comprehension of the past becomes more in-depth, providing a glimpse into the intricate tapestry of life that has unfolded over billions of years. This has us excited to uncover more unexpected marvels that the Grand Canyon definitely conceals, since they leave us wanting to learn more about the past. Thanks for watching. For more, subscribe to our channel.